Hello guys, this is Lobos Tech Hub here with another unboxing video. In today's unboxing, I will be showing you the HP NV360 convertible laptop. Now let's first take a look at the packaging. This has a nice look and a very strong packaging from the outside. As you can see, this is originally from HP and it's not refurbished, so you should expect to see the original item in it. Let's take a good look at the specs. This HP X360 convertible contains a Core i7 processor, a 512GB solid state drive or SSD, comes with a Windows 10 pre-installed, an 8GB DDR4 RAM, and has a 13.3-inch display. So this laptop is very suitable for office works, graphic designing, and all other uses, except gaming, cause it might underperform under certain gaming conditions. Guys, without wasting much time, let's quickly open the box and see what's inside. You need a pair of scissors or a blade to cut through the seal, so I'm just going to do that. And there you go, a very nice packaging and arrangement. This laptop looks very sleek in it. Now let's take a look at what's inside the box. First of all, take out the laptop and put it aside. It comes with a user manual inside the box. Some more user manuals also in the box. Now let's take a look at the smaller box. This is where the charger is, and it comes with a really simple charger. Now guys, that's the charger. You can take a look at it. It's very nice in design, very sleek, and looks very easy to carry along with. It wouldn't take up much space in your backpack or anything. Let's take a look at the charger very well. So this is a 65-watt charger, and it's good, like, trust me. Very nice design. This is a thumbs up for HP. I'll just go ahead and put it back in the rubber and then drop it aside. Now let's take a look at the most important thing, which is the laptop. This laptop is sealed with a nice rubber enclosure, so you need to take that off first before you can take a look at the real laptop. This is very sleek, smallish, light in weight, very easy to carry along. So let's just go ahead and then open it. You can open from that side, so open from this side. This is really nice, very nice finishing. I don't think this will easily scratch. It has a very nice color as well. Let's take a look at the sides. So it has the SD card slot, a USB slot, and a charging port on the other side. There's nothing behind it or behind the screen. It has a nice engraved name NV behind it. Let's take a look at how it looks. Nice, very smallish and portable. Let's take a look at the keyboard. Very nice keyboard. This keyboard has a backlight, so you don't need to worry so much using it when you're using it in the dark, because the keyboard will automatically have lights. As you can see, it's very slim, very slim, very light in weight. It wouldn't be a problem carrying it along. It also has a very slim screen. Very slim screen. Let's take a look at the back. You have some specifications there that tells you more information about the laptop, the model number, serial number, everything can be found behind the laptop. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and see if it's actually convertible. Yes, it is. It's very nice. As you can see, the screen has been turned back to the back of the laptop, which makes it convertible. Has a very nice screen, easy for touch, doesn't leave prints easily on the screen. So guys, let's go ahead and turn it on. So this laptop can be used by students, can be used by graphic designers, can be used by office workers, can be used by anyone who travels a lot with laptop, because this is very light in weight, easy to carry, portable, has backlight, convertible for easy use, can be used in a form of a tablet. So it's very easy to use. So since this is a new laptop that comes with Windows 10 already installed, all you need to do is just go through the setup by entering your information such as your name or the name of the PC, passwords, and any other setup that you need to go through. So I'll just do that real quick. So guys, I'm finally done with the setup. Now we are going to have to wait for everything to complete, and then we can see the desktop screen. Then we're going to go ahead and check out what it really comes with. If what it says on the box is what is really inside the laptop, such as like the processor, the RAM, any other thing, including the dedicated VGA, which I'm going to do that. I'm going to check that for you to give you an idea of what it comes with. So there we go guys, we are almost done. Finally, we are on the screen. This has a very nice display. Now you would have to go through some HP setup since you are using an HP laptop, and in my case I'll just have to skip that. Very nice background display. or wallpaper. As you can see guys, the keyboard is already lit. There is light behind the keyboard which will be difficult to use during the dark, and it's also a touch screen. Since it's convertible, it needs to be a touch screen. So as you can see, I'm just touching on the screen and then it's operating or functioning properly. You can see the storage size over there. Let's go ahead and check the properties. So guys, you can see everything that it says on the box over there. So that's all for today guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video, as I'll show you the part 2 of this video soon. See you in my next video. Goodbye.